Dear friends, sometimes we need to mirror the whole drawing. We have to draw sometimes the same thing. So to do so, we can do it by a single command, and that is mirror. So for mirror, the command is mi. Press enter. Now it's saying select objects. My object is this one, so I've selected this, and then press enter. And it's saying now specify first point of mirror line. So my mirror line is here. See, the whole thing has just mirrored this way. The left portion, this one, and the right portion is just newly created as a mirror. Thank you. Thanks for watching.